Good afternoon, everybody. Tom Sheeran. It's August 2nd. We're going to do our market trends and market update report right now, featuring Sandy Springs and Dunwoody. Our current interest rate, it's going down, folks, finally, 6.4% national average. So that's good news. And let's jump right in the stats again for Dunwoody, Sandy Springs, and the entire market in the MLS. So right now we're looking at the entire MLS has kind of stayed, it's up ever so slightly, 5%. So average sales price right at 500,784. But now I think we might have saw the peak. It's been strong for a couple years. Now it's going down ever so slightly. These are, again, average sales prices. Dunwoody checking in at 725,859. So that's actually down 17% from a month ago. And then here's the gold line is Sandy Springs. That's showing 888,200. So that's down 5%. So now let's look at our inventory, our months of supply. And remember, 6 months is a normal market. So this has been growing ever so slightly, slowly, month over month. So right now we can see the entire MLS, 3.7 months of supply. Look at the increase though, 60%, 60.9%. Dunwoody, our green line is up to 2 months of supply. So it came up 100%. So it was one month of supply last month. Now it's up to 2 months. Again, based on a normal market of 6 months of supply. And the Sandy Springs market, 3.4 months of supply. So everything's growing ever so slightly. And let's look at the number of new listings. So the entire MLS says 9,161. It's not showing on the bar graph for some reason, but Dunwoody, 19 new listings and 29 in Sandy Springs. Again, the all-important list price to sales price ratio, so what we put it on the market for and what it sells for. The entire MLS area, right here, the black line, 98.6. That's just trended down a little bit. Sandy Springs is still 100.5%, but it actually is down 0.1%. So not much change at all. Dunwoody has changed ever so slightly, 99.1%, which is 2.2% off from the previous month. So not much change there. That's still holding strong. And then let's look at our average days on the market now. 33 days in the entire MLS. That's up 13.8%. So it's taken a little longer now, staying on the market a little longer. And we see the same thing in Dunwoody, but it's still only 17 days on the market. So that's up 6.3%. And actually, Sandy Springs is now downtrending 14 days. So it's 48% less than a month ago. And then let's look at the number of showings to, we get a contract or shows to pending. The entire market we're averaging about 12 showings till you get a contract. Dunwoody has actually gone up. It's taken a little longer now. So it's at 20 showings it takes before we get an offer or we go under contract. And here's Sandy Springs, 9.5. So that's actually gone down. So once again, looking at the entire market, Dunwoody, Sandy Springs, and an overall look at the entire Atlanta market, it's still holding strong. We're ever so slightly kind of going on a few downward lines on some of those categories, but just because of the lack of inventory still, price points, and now that should even spur more buying activity with a 6.4 interest rate as we speak today. There it is through the July stats. Tom Sheeran, eXp Realty. I'm here to help. Call 404-307-5538 if I can assist. And thank you so much.